2, go!
Hi, I'm Robert Fitzsimmons with Crossroads RV. Today we're checking out the Redwood 420FL. Looking at the 420FL, this is going to have a full body paint job. This is also cut and buff to give a smooth, easy finish for our end consumer. You'll have a 6-point hydraulic leveling system, but in the main pass-through storage here, you have a large area. You have your water manifold system. So if you have an issue with water, you can turn off each individual point. You'll have a central vac, and all your water will be triple filtered, and you'll have a water softener on board. Your main entry door will always be painted as well, but you'll have a nice large handle getting in and out of the coach with a 4-step entry on all of our Redwoods. Moving down, you will have our 2+3 year warranty. Redwood is warranted for full-time living, which makes it unique for our end consumers so they can be in it 365 days out of the year. This one has the 7,000-pound axles. It is a triple axle, give you a larger carrying capacity. These are also going to be H-rated tires. Tons of storage from the outside to give you more space while you're hitting that road all year long. Not just your dedicated passenger storage, but this raised rear back as well. You will have a full painted fiberglass cap on the rear wall, and you have a hitch back there that's pre-wired if you ever want to use it. Also, another standard feature on this model is 2 awnings, and you'll have slide toppers covering each slide box. Stepping inside the 420FL, this is going to be a front living, so you'll have your raised living room immediately to your right-hand side. You have a nice 65-inch smart TV, which is going to be standard in this model. You'll have a large fireplace with a 5,000 BTU to help heat this unit up. Bluetooth speaker with your speakers integrated in the ceiling to give you that aspect of using your TV, but also your phone if you have music you want to play. Roller blinds throughout, but you do get our premium Franklin furniture. This is going to be an upgraded furniture package. This is showing our mesquite furniture, which is a fabric color, but we also have our Tuscan, which is going to be your leather. These are going to give you 2 great options to pick from. Heading down out of that living room, you're going to pass a nice hutch area that has a dedicated wine fridge. You will have solid surface countertops through the whole unit as well to give you more of that residential finish. Along with the residential finishes, you have the appliances. Large appliances here with your residential refrigerator, 30-inch over-the-range microwave, 4-burner, and a large oven as well, so you can actually cook when you're on the road. You will have a dishwasher standard as well. So again, you're in it, great spot to have that as a standard feature. You'll have dedicated spice racks that flip down to maximize storage, and all of our cabinetry will be dovetail finished to give you more of that residential feel along with soft closed doors. You will have, like I said, solid surface kitchen countertops, but gives you a nice large sink. All your fixtures matte in color, which is a great feature. And this is where you have that drinking water. And again, everything will be triple filtered before it gets out of that faucet. Right off that main entry door, you'll have a spot to sit where you can get those shoes on, some storage space, and pull out doggy dishes as well if you have those friends with you. A spot to hang coats, again, right by that main entry door. Your dinette will come with 2 chairs, but also we ship an additional 2 where this table can pull out if you have company with you to give you 4 dedicated seating spots. Again, solid surface countertops with a portable charger there as well. And then you'll have maximized storage space in that slide box right above you. Walking into the master bedroom, you won't go up 2 steps because this is a raised rear with all the storage space that we have underneath us. You will have solid surface countertops along with a TV that's always going to be standard in your master bedroom. You will have the dovetail drawers again, and these will also be soft close as well. The bed itself will be an upgraded mattress. You'll have a complete bedspread with throw pillows. This will be on a tilt, so it maximizes the room in the bedroom, but will also go down in the down position when it's time to sleep. Heading into your master bathroom, you will again have solid surface countertops. You'll have a washer dryer standard. Again, these are designed to be 365 days on the road. It's nice to have those washer and dryer in here standard. Solid surface countertops as well with built-ins around it with the backlit mirror. But this is where you'll have your setting for your on-demand tankless water heater. Set that temperature that you want through the whole coach. You will have a 1-piece shower with a bench seat, which is nice. But this is going to be the Tri-Glide glass to close this off for more of a residential finish. Also, you will have multiple shower heads in here as well, just to make it feel more like home. In the 420FL, you have a nice private bathroom. This will give you a foot flush porcelain toilet and maximize storage above.